Now watch a pro handle the ball.
Ah, my favorite time of the day, nap time. What's going on in here? Are you interrogating me? I didn't eat the sardines. They just jumped into my mouth. I swear.
Keep calm. Georgie won't hurt you. I equipped it with ultraviolet eyes so I can do my tanning here inside, where our nosy neighbors can't bother me.
I don't want a tan. I want some tuna.
A tan will make me even more beautiful. When Mumsy has a tan, she's a new woman.
Left ear, right ear, and back to the left. And over.
Bill, you ever heard of sharing? Hogging the ball's not how we play.
Wah! Ha ha! Yeah!
How are we supposed to play if the ball's over there?
You better not come over here, you smelly dog face.
All right, I'm going. Hey! What happened to me? Why am I hiccuping?
George is sending out a hiccup ray. Oh, yes! Take that, my face!
Huh? But how come you don't catch it?
It's just for pups, and you got it for your whole life.
Ah! Yeah!
George!
Ah!
Hey, chill out, conehead! Ah!
Oh no, poor Bill. You have the hiccups? But how did they start?
It's George. His eyes are emitting a hiccup ray for dogs.
That's terrible. We have to make George cut it out.
With pantomime, I can tell Bob B.
Looks like Bill is miming what happened to him. A candle statue? Mrs. Stick, she baked a birthday cake. I get it. He's doing George. George was using a pair of binoculars?
Oh, this isn't working.
Well then, we'll draw them a picture.
Super idea. Let's go, Carol.
You stupid gnome! Come back here or Mommy will take my kibbles away! Stop acting like such a gnome skull, I said! Ah! Ah!
I'm no good at this.
Don't you worry, Bill. I'm good at drawing George. remedies for curing the hiccups. Remedy number 1. You hold your breath for as long as possible. That smell is familiar. You stole fish sticks out of a garbage? So, Bill, is it working yet? Remedy number 2. Drink a glass of water while keeping your head tilted forward. Did that work? Remedy number 10. A big whiff of pepper powder. I think we've tried everything. I'm finished. Here, look. Those rays from George's eyes gave Bill the hiccups?
Nice work, Carol.
And that's what you were showing us before? George attacked you with the hiccup ray. That's so mean, but we're gonna fix it by reversing the ray to cancel the hiccups.
What was that? I never saw an animal like him around here.
We gotta stop that monster.
Now I'll just pretend I've been sleeping here the whole time. Ouch!
What in the world? Captain, have you gone mad? What have you done with George? Now, where have you wandered off to? Aha! Good thing I have my secret agent technique. It never fails me. George! Hi, Bill. Hello, Carol.
If you see George, run away. His eyes shoot a ray that gives hiccups. He didn't even use his ray. We've really got to stop him.
And now Ming's caught it? That's odd. Carol, come on, hurry! Okay.
What do we have here? Him again? A gang of stray dogs. Where are they going? You must get run, but you can't escape me.
Oh no, not him!
Stop there!
This way.
Here, doggies.
Bill and Ming are in danger! I got a plan. Carol, I need your help.
I got kibbles. Whoa. Ouch!
Great job, Carol.
My head's still spinning.
George! Have you seen a little gnome that goes like buzz and beep, yodel yodel toot yodel yodel toot?
I saw him running that way.
Aha!
Gotcha!
Good job. Ha-ha.
One of these buttons should do the job.
Huh? No more hiccups.
They went away.
Didn't reverse the ray, did we? How'd they get better?
Toot-toot, yodelity, toot-toot. George! Oh, George! Oh, my poor little Georgie.
Phew. Gosh, I'm glad you guys are better now, but I wonder how that happened. I say we ask an expert.
There's no way that guy's an expert.
Of course, I know all about that. Dogs get hiccups when they're frightened, and when they calm down, well, then they go away.
We caught the hiccups when George scared us. And now we're not afraid, so the hiccups have disappeared.
I probably changed some functions on George when I pressed all his buttons.
If the ray doesn't give hiccups, what does it do? My darling Georgie Wargie, it's okay. You're safe now with Mumsy. And as for you, it's boiled carrot puree for a week.
But it's Belle who...
Huh? Who changed the ultraviolet ray settings? Captain!